What is the primary purpose of the passage? This is a structure-based question, so let's look at the mind map. As per the mind map, the first paragraph describes an experiment that studies the impact of social and economic improvements. The second paragraph talks about the immediate findings of the experiment and says that the experiment did not find any improvement. And the third paragraph talks about benefits as seen years later. It also says that the benefits were strongest among the young individuals. So overall, it can be inferred that the primary purpose of the passage is to describe this experiment and the findings of the experiment that aim to find the impact of social and economic environment on individuals. We need an answer choice on similar lines. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, failure to corroborate with past research. The second paragraph has a reference to this particular experiment's finding contradicting the sizable breadth of previous research. So it can be inferred that there is some reference to the failure to corroborate with past research, but this reference is limited in scope to the second paragraph and is not the primary purpose of the passage. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B, to explain a unique socio-economic research methodology. The passage discusses this experiment called Moving to Opportunity and also discusses certain aspects of the experiment such as having different groups, group 1, group 2 and group 3. So it can be inferred that there is some reference to the methodology of a particular experiment, but the passage as a whole does not talk about any particular research methodology in general. So it is incorrect to state that the passage's primary purpose is to explain the unique socio-economic research methodology. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C, to illustrate the importance of due diligence in a research. The passage makes no suggestion regarding due diligence. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D, to elaborate on the work of the US Department of Housing and Urban Development. The first paragraph has a reference to this department right in the beginning, but the passage is about this particular experiment and its finding and not the works of this department. So it is incorrect to state that the primary purpose of the passage is to elaborate on the work of this department. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E, to describe the findings of a study on the impact of socio-economic environment on poverty. Yes, this is what the mind map implies because the passage talks about this experiment that studies the impact of socio-economic environment on individuals, and the passage describes its findings immediately as well as years later. So it is correct to state that the primary purpose of the passage is to describe the findings of the experiment that aimed to study the impact of social and economic environment on poverty. So this answer choice correctly captures the primary purpose of the passage. E is the correct answer choice.